First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
For now, things look pretty dry over south central Kentucky, but the humidity is coming up, and we're seeing evidence of moisture just off to our south and west. And eventually, we're going to find a pretty decent chance of rain moving into the area by this evening. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. Seeing nothing out there right now. Sun is shining. We've got a few high clouds, but the atmosphere is capped off. In other words, we've got some warm air above us. And that warm air layer that's laying right on top of us is preventing any kind of shower and thunderstorm activity to pop up here. But I do expect by later this afternoon to begin to see maybe some isolated or widely scattered showers out to the west of us as we get a little bit more instability coming in. Right now it's sunny. 75 degrees here in Bowling Green. Well, let's check some other temperatures around the Mesonet network, and it's mostly mid-70s that we're seeing right now. 76s for Calhoun, Madisonville, Hopkinsville. There's a warmer 78 up there in Hardinsburg and Breckinridge County at this hour. 77 over in Adair County at Columbia, and a little bit cooler 76 in Albany at this hour. Scottsville coming in at 75 degrees. And the dew points have come up a bit from where they have been, which is upper 40s and low 50s. Now we're starting to see 60-degree dew points. And again, this is another way we measure the amount of moisture in the air. So when we start to see these 60-degree dew points here, that means it's becoming a little more muggy, a little more sticky at times. So if you're going to be outdoors this afternoon, you'll notice a little bit more moisture content in the air, and that's going to help fuel those showers once they do roll in here later. Live from our weather cam on Scottsville Road, things are looking pretty good. You're seeing the high clouds right now with lots of sunshine, and the current temperature 74 degrees with a light east southeasterly wind at 3. That dew point at 75, so it has come up a bit. Humidity at 66% and the barometer falling at 29.98. As we check Glasgow and our AAA Systems weather cam there, and the current Mesonet temperature feels like it's 76, and the temperature is 76. So everything looking good there with a few high clouds with the sunshine. As we head to Munfordville, you've got a totally clear sky up there in Hart County. You're at 74 degrees currently. As we head to Litchfield, you're seeing a few clouds off in the distance. This is looking west. You're seeing 75 degrees there in Grayson County. Here's Mammoth Cave National Park. You're seeing a few puffy fair weather clouds there with 76 degrees. 74 at the airport at this hour. Warmer 70s to the south, even 80 degrees in Little Rock. Contrast that with 59 degrees in Pittsburgh at this hour. They started around 40 degrees early this morning. Right now we're 6 degrees warmer than we were at midday yesterday. And notice how the dew points that I've been talking about here this morning, they were down south of us. Now that moisture is starting to creep up into western Kentucky, and our dew point temperatures are starting to go up, and that's because we have instability just back to the west. Here's a look at the 12-hour radar. Some pretty decent rainfall right now in parts of Mississippi. Scattered showers, western Tennessee, far western Kentucky. And as we get on into the afternoon, I think our rain chances are not going to be all that great until we get, say, past sunset. I think that'll be our better chance of rain, and that is when we'll be closer to that area of low pressure in that front moving on through this evening. So during the overnight hours will be the best chance of getting some rain here in Bowling Green. Some of you could pick up a quarter to, say, a half inch of rain by early tomorrow morning, and then that system will just kind of fade out of the view here as we get into the day on Thursday. Partly sunny this afternoon, chance of a shower. Most of you will not see that. High of 78. The better chance of rain, though, tonight at about 50%. Will show showers and thunderstorms at 61. A few leftover showers tomorrow morning at 78, then 82 and clearing on Thursday, 84 Friday. Saturday, partly sunny, 85, and a few scattered showers and cooler temperatures in the mid-70s for Sunday and Monday. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.